Hello, welcome to Amazon KDP. Today I want to show you guys how to publish your notebook. So in my last video, I already showed you guys how to create a digital marketing notebook. It's for free, right? So today I want to show you here, we are going to publish our notebook. So guys, if you are new here, like, subscribe, then you would never miss one of my tutorials like this. And then guys, if you are already, so you've already created your notebook, my last video that I post. So last, take that book and then go to here to publish in Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is for uh, for digital marketing, for free websites. You are going to publish your book into Amazon.com, and then you are going to, when Amazon they check your book, then everything, titles and then description, everything is good. Then all your paper size, everything. When your book going to be alive, and then you are going to when anyone buy your notebook or new ebook, you are going to make a money. So many people are using make a million dollars. So guys, let's go to publish this ebook. So guys, if you don't have a candle on TDD count like this, so I posted before 1 month or 2 months ago also how to download or to create a GDP account. So go to create your accounts, and if you know, write me down. I'm going to make another video to how to create a Amazon GDP for free, without paying anything, without you know, just to create for free, and then you're going to publish your always your books. Okay, let's come to here. We are now, there is a, we are come here, paperback, guys, our language. So choose your language from here. And this is our titles, and then also subtitle I give the same. Guys, so if there's anything, okay, or search your plan, uh your plan, okay, your all journal or book. Okay, guys, these are, and then guys, if you have a serious numbers, go to your use your series here, using just to add here, and then you are going to use your series. And then if you don't have, guys, let's go. And I don't have a series, just leave like this, and then also addition numbers, not, it's not necessary. If you want to put, it's okay. If you don't, it's okay. Type 30 numbers, so I take your source, your plan, your your whole notebook, explosion, and then leave for this one configure, and then let's come to here descriptions. So guys, this is our descriptions. If you have any specific descriptions, come to write, and then this our description I put it here, guys. Exactly like this. If you wanted to put something more, then you can use it, but I just wanted to show description like this. Then come to down here, just if you have a domain, okay. If you don't have a guide, just leave it. I own the copyright, okay. I will consider to choose this one. And then if you're talk for adult, any countries, there's any, you know, situation or the image or something inappropriate, age under 18. So guys say no, because we are no. And then here the this is the minimum age. I just put from 6 to 18 over. So I put it, but it's not necessary. If you're not using also at home, it's okay. Then guys, come to here, I choose primary marketplace. I choose Amazon.com. So there are so many here, guys. You can go to choose, and then guys, categories. There's many categories here. Just come to here. You see, guys, to add categories, whatever we want. There's so many categories. Okay, so just to come to here, add it, just to get another category. So there's so many categories here to choose from here, whatever you want. Depends in your notebook. And then here, guys, now the low content. So this is our low content. There's also large one, but we are going to choose low content because low content, there's many people using low content, the planner and the notebook and the journals. So you see here, guys, the large is only for 16.4 size. Or so this is something else. It is a very big, paper. So guys, now we are going to use key storage. Okay, let's go to storage here. I want to show you how to search here, right? Okay, now we come to Amazon.com and then guys here, we just said journal notebook. Look, there are so many journal notebooks. You see 40,000 per month, right? So let's copy this one, come to Amazon, use this one, come to get another one journal note for schools to uh, for youth schools. So this is our journal, so we can target these keywords because now, yeah, there's so many keywords here. See, there's 100 of keywords. Yeah, we want to get take also this one. Go to this keyword. We need more 3 keywords, guys. Yeah, yes, we want to take this one also. So we don't use hard. Let's take this one. One more, that's it. So just 1 minute. I want to do another. Okay, that's it. Take this one. 7,000 per month. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we already. Okay, guys. Now we already here. You see, we're using all the keywords. So now just say save. Continue. Then here, guys, you just leave this one, guys. If you have a ISBN, your publishing or your book you have, or your digital marketing, if you have from another ISBN you have. If you don't have, use for free. But I don't want to use it for free. I just want to live without. So come here, guys. If you want to put your book date, I can just say today. Just say today. Yeah, you wanted to get July. Yeah, and this one. And then, guys, we wanted to our book the black white here. To leave it like this. If you wanted to choose another one, primer, any one you can choose, but not to leave that one like this. Guys, here it's the size. So you come to here to choose our size. This one you can choose your size. Is very important, guys. If you are making here anything, you are going to face problem because Amazon will not expect you. So very important. Many people are giving up on the size choosing here. This is a very important. Okay, and then also guys, if your book is not bleeding, it's okay. If your book is bleeding, only to use this one. And meta, really, just for many people they use meta, it's okay. Let's say continuous. So come to here to choose guys your PDF file. That's the 200. I have it already. I choose guys here. And then if you don't have guys to upload, and then come to here down, guys, your cover. That's what we created before. You come to choose here. So your cover, okay. And then guys, if you come to here and then don't check, okay, leave like this because I'm done with directly to generate you barcode, okay. Then come to here guys to launch, because if there is any error or something, you're going to see here. Yes, you see proving our cover is perfect, everything is good. So we improve, and then to continuous. See, Amazon will directly generate us, price. You see, Amazon dot nil, Amazon dot ie. So you see here, it's Amazon automatically. Now go to save. Okay. So guys, this one save like this, interior or individual. So if you want to save, live, you see here. So choose where you are. But I won't say all the countries live. People can buy all the world. Okay, so come to here, guys, to only give the price. Amazon, you see here, will give you all the price. So just put the maximum price is 7.32, right? So let's put give 7.45. Okay, you see, it's Amazon automatically using generate all the price. You see, you can also can change, but if you want, but if you don't want to live like this, I just live like this, and then yeah, so come to here, guide, and then you are going to just publish from here. So guys, because I have another counting, so I can't uh publish, you see here, because I have another counting because the same name. So I'm done, but you just going to publish your book here, okay. So guys, that's it, and then to see you in my next tutorial.